Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ying. Today we are going to draw this interesting children's book illustration together by Procreate. We have already finished first 8 pages in my previous videos, so if you haven't watched them yet, be sure to check them out later. So now, let's start our drawing today. First, we need to sketch the story. Well, after consideration, I decided to draw a story about a breathtaking water adventure, which closely follows the last 2 pages of this picture book. My sketch for me is more like a map, which tells me the positions of all important elements. I like designing more details later. Okay, now it's time to draw our main characters, the red panda and the little flower. For this picture, they fall from the waterfall, which should be really breathtaking, right? So, I spent some time designing their funny postures and facial expressions.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Goes the weasel, a penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Now we are back to the story picture. Usually I will try some different color palettes for a better result before going to details. For this story, it happens in night, and the atmosphere is full of mystery. So I picked some cool colors like blue to stand out the characters, which mainly with warm colors. By the way, this is just a beginning version. We will change and add a lot of details later. After deciding the color palette and coloring the main elements, it's time for details. Sometimes I will reference some real plants and scenery pictures. But for this one, I'm pretty sure about what I want to draw. So I created some plants that only in my mind and try to overlay them in different layers. Maybe you don't believe, but it's true that I spend the most time drawing the waterfall, even more than designing my characters. I tried many different ways to show the splash effect and choose one of my favorite. I love drawing and creating different types of plants. I think it's a good way to inspire my imagination and accumulate some useful materials for future illustrations. Here the scenery drawing is almost done. We finish all the important elements. But if we want the picture looks more attractive, we need to add more details like branches and fallen leaves in the stream.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
In the end, I want to draw some little elves. In my imagination, they should be kind and mysterious and with transparent body. I want them all looks different. Someone is curious about new visitors, someone looks a little surprised, and someone may really welcome our red panda and little flower. Hope you like this idea too. So this is the story of page 9 to 10. I hope you love it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Don't forget to turn on the bell just in case you miss any of my great videos. See you next time. Bye.